Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Cyclonic storm by Biparjoy likely to make landfall today. IMD issues red alert for coastal areas of Saurashtra and Kutch. Women 20 Summit commences at Mahabalipuram. Union Minister for Women and Child Development Smriti Irani released W20 Communique. Paul Lingdor holds meeting with various faith-based leaders to discuss on rise in drug use. And another mudslide in Sonapur Tunnel in East Janta Hills, debris cleared and traffic restored. The news in detail. The very severe cyclonic storm by Biparjoy is expected to make landfall today in the evening near the Jakhau port of the Kutch district of Gujarat. According to India Meteorological Department, the storm is expected to cause massive damage. It is very likely to cross Saurashtra and Kutch and adjoining Pakistan coast between Mandavi, Gujarat and Karachi, Pakistan near Jakhau port of Gujarat with a maximum sustained wind speed of 125 to 135 kilometers per hour, gusting to 150 kilometers per hour. The India Meteorological Department issued a red message cyclone warning for coastal areas of Saurashtra and Kutch districts. The third and final working group on W20 began today at Mahabalipuram near Chennai. The first session was on the road to achieve sustainable development goals, the intersection between women's health, gender equality, social and economic development. Union Minister for Women and Child Development Smriti Irani released a W20 communique at the third and final W20 engagement group today. Speaking at the meeting, the minister said that the W20 team had done a marvelous job in including all the voices of women around the world in the communique. She said that the delegates from all the G20 countries have done their best in contributing to the communique. Minister in charge Social Welfare Paul Lingdor today held a meeting with various faith leaders in the state to discuss on the alarming rise of substance abuse in the state. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, he said that increasing the counseling and awareness programs will be done. He further said that 10 crore rupees will be earmarked for the implementation of drug awareness programs.
We have identified hotspot districts. We will concentrate on those, but at the same time, we will be allotting funds to all the districts. But at this stage, we have first approached faith organizations because they have the infrastructure, they have their churches, they have their schools. So, based on that consideration, we have asked them to come up with proposals so that the pilot project can take off immediately.
Another mudslide occurred at Sonapur this morning at around 8 a.m. near the tunnel that leads to heavy blocking at National Highway 6. This has been a concern for commuters as they are stuck in a traffic jam for hours. Till 1:30 p.m., workers are in line to clear the debris from today's mudslide, and it is expected that the tunnel should be opened for traffic shortly. Fortunately, no casualties have been reported so far. Whereas residents of Sonapurdi have raised concern for vehicles parked on the Sonapur bridge, posing a risk to the bridge. The bridge serves as a crucial link connecting Meghalaya, Assam, Mizoram, Tripura and parts of Manipur. Meanwhile, the debris from the mudslide at Sonapur Tunnel has been cleared now and traffic is moving. Commuters are requested to drive carefully, maintain vigil and not to overtake. A health camp was conducted to detect patients who are infected with HIV in East Janta Hills district, informed A. Lanong, Deputy Director Mainstreaming of Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. Till 2nd June, 8 health camps have been organized for 40 villages of East Janta Hills district, and around 1,516 individuals have come forward for screening. The health camp was under the Integrated Health Campaign Extended Outreach Camps organized by Meghalaya AIDS Control Society in collaboration with East Jantia Hills Administration and Office of District Medical Health Officer. Lanong also informed that the camp has a target to complete within 3 months' time by August 298 villages with 63 health camps. Village residents of West Khasi Hills district today took part in the massive rally organized by the Dorbar Chnong condemning the criminal allegedly involved in molestation of minors in the village and demanding stern action against the accused. School children, youth, men and women, along with members of the Khasi Students' Union KSU, Hinyotrep Youth Council HYC, Hinyotrep National Youth Front HNYF took part in the rally displaying placards condemning the accused. The rally was followed by an awareness program organized by the Northeast Network Shillong in collaboration with the Office of the District Child Protection Office and Police Department. While addressing a program on crime against children, West Khasi Hills District Child Protection Officer DCPO W. Shabong highlighted various sections of the law that deal with crimes against children. He also urged the people not to only depend on the police department to investigate these crimes, but also to come forward by themselves to report any crimes they witness or suspect. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 26 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 16.4 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 96%, while in the evening it was 65%. Forecast: light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at most places. Extremely heavy rain is most likely to continue at most places over East Khasi Hills, Jantia Hills, West Khasi Hills in the next 24 hours. Avoid staying in vulnerable structure, avoid working in field during thunderstorm and lightning period, and follow road safety sign or traffic advisories issued. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Cyclonic storm Biparjoy likely to make landfall today. IMD issues red alert for coastal areas of Saurashtra and Kutch. Women 20 Summit commenced at Mahabalipuram. Union Minister for Women and Child Development Smriti Irani released W20 Communique. Paul Lingdor holds meeting with various faith-based leaders to discuss on rise in drug use. And another mudslide in Sonapur Tunnel in East Jantia Hills, debris cleared, traffic restored. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, good night.